Today's video is sponsored by Filmora Go. Filmora Go will be in the description down below. It allows you to create amazing videos on your iOS device. You can create videos from an amazing catalog of templates that they have available for you to download. Also filters, 3D effects with animated stickers and much more. So Filmora Go, create amazing videos on the go. Links will be in the description down below. So today we're talking about iOS 14.2 expected release date. I know a lot of you guys are hoping for this software to be released here sooner rather than later. So in this video, we're going to go over my experience so far with the software, how some of the new features have been working over the past week and a half or so. Apple released Beta 4 on October the 20th. Today, as of the filming of this video, it is October the 29th. It's been a little over a week. We've yet to see another beta, so it's still sitting in Beta 4. So we'll talk about expected release date, as I mentioned, and the Golden Master copy as well. Now, some of the new features in iOS 14.2 include a new Airplay and Airdrop menus, as well as new menus within the Control Center media platter here. So if you 3D touch here or long press, you get the new controls here for external speakers and other TVs. You get a new menu and interface here for the platter. And of course, the Airplay menu has been slightly tweaked as well. There's a ton of new features with 14.2. On iPhone 12, we get the new HDR 10-bit video recording. So if we go to the actual camera extension here in settings, we'll find that new feature enabled right here under video recording. There it is, the 10-bit HDR video capturing. It is enabled on iPhone 12, and the new emojis are also coming with this software and a ton of improvements. Now, if you want to watch the entire coverage of new features coming with the software, links will be in the description down below. But so far, I haven't encountered any major issues. I've noticed that with time, the home application had the new intercom feature enabled, and more devices are now able to intercom. So first it was only HomePod to HomePod. Now I can actually send an intercom from the iPhone to the HomePod, and eventually once the software is officially released, this should be working for everyone on all devices across the house, and I'm sure along with the new HomePods, this feature will get even better down the road. Now, in terms of battery, I know you guys have been asking about the battery on 14.2. I have no issues so far in terms of battery performance. The battery is almost a par with 14.1, which is excellent battery. If you didn't catch my battery test, the links will be in the description for that as well. But I get through the entire day with no issues. The battery on this iPhone 12, of course, is brand new, but the battery performance has been very, very good over the past week or so of running iOS 14.2 on this device. In terms of performance, you can expect the same as before. Nothing has been lagging, nothing has been hanging. I haven't encountered any issues. One issue I am encountering, though, is a prompt that's telling me every now and then that the software needs to be updated, that beta has expired. Now, I'm not quite sure why that is. That could be an issue with Apple servers. And another minor issue or issue that I've encountered is network connection issues, especially on the iPhone 12 with the 5G. It looks like the connection is spotty. Not everywhere is working fine. I'm not sure if it's my device in particular or my Wi-Fi or my 5G, but the network performance hasn't been the best as it was before with iPhone 11 and prior. And I've also encountered some issue on iPhone 11, by the way, with the network performance, but that could also be T-Mobile in my area. I'm not quite sure. That's just something to keep an eye out. Once 14.2 is officially released, we'll get a better idea on how the network is performing overall, the 5G on iPhone 12, Wi-Fi, and all that good stuff. So far, iOS 14.2 seems to be headed in the right direction. A lot of new features and awesome new features coming your way. I'll be having an entire coverage of iOS 14.2 once the official release is here. So when can we expect iOS Gold Master Copy 14.2 and official release? Well, if history is any indication, once Apple skips a week, it means on the second week, we should see the Gold Master Copy and quickly following the official release. Now, next week on November the 3rd, it will be Election Day here in the United States, so I don't believe Apple will be working that day. That will mark exactly 2 weeks from the release of Beta 4, so we can expect Beta 5 on the 2nd or the 4th of November as a Golden Master copy, and a few days later after that, I want to say the following week, we'll see an official release towards the 11th or 12th of November, right before the pre-orders for iPhone 12. So Golden Master copy expected anywhere from November 2nd to the 4th, and official release right before the 13th of November, right before iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone 12 Mini pre-orders go live. So there you guys have it, just a quick recap, expected release date, and how everything is working so far with 14.2. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.